students, hello all of you, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. This video is exclusively for the homeschoolers, the NIOS student and the CBSE students as well who need little improvement in their basics. So I have started with the first chapter, that is number system. I have done topics so far, that is still operations of rational number. I hope you have seen the last videos. So I'll be continuing that with the check your progress exercise 1.2, okay, which is based on operations of rational number. So do like my channel, share and subscribe to my channel so that you are getting more videos based on the topics you require. Okay, so I'll be coming up with the science chapters also very soon in this month. So I will see you there also. So let's get started with today's topic, that is check your progress 1.2. Okay, now the fifth question. Again you have a little complex question here where you have addition as well as subtraction. So first we will solve these two parts. This is a mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. This is 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, that is 16 by 5 plus 7 by 5 minus 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. So now if you see this is addition, we can, denominator is same. So we write the denominator 5 and we add up the numerators. This you keep it as it is for now. Now here you get what? 23 by 5 minus 13 by 6. So now here you have to cross multiply because denominators are different. So 23 into 6 minus 13 into 5 by 5 into 6. So what do we get? 138 minus 65 by 30. So you get 73 by 30 as the answer. So the second part here is 5 by 2 plus 13 by 4 minus 6, 3 by 4. Okay. So here it is 5 by 2 plus 13 by 4 minus 4 into 6, 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. So now if you see here the denominator are same, we can keep this separate and then here we can do subtraction. So denominator is same, so we write 4 as a denominator and 13 minus 27. So 5 by 2 plus this will give you minus 14 by 4. Okay, now do the cross multiplication because denominators are different. So 5 into 4 plus 2 into minus 14 by 2 into 4. So you get here 20 minus 28 by 8. So minus 8 by 8. You cancel, you will get minus 1. Okay, so here the answer is minus 1. So question number 6 is multiplication. Very easy. First 2 by 11 into 5 by 6. Okay, we have to multiply. I told you multiply rules also. Multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So we get here 10 by 66. You can reduce, divide with 2, you get 5 by 33. Okay. Second one, minus 3 by 11 into minus 33 by 35. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay. Children, you can cancellations also you can do instead of directly multiplying. See, 11 will cancel with 33. Okay, you can write 11 3s are 33. So you get here minus 3 into minus 3 by 35. So minus into minus, I told you it's plus. So plus 3 into 3 is 9 by 35. So this is the answer. Okay. Third one, minus 11 by 3 into minus 27 by 77. So multiply the numerators. 3 into 77. So always write the negative number in bracket so that you don't get confused with the sign when you are doing the operation. So here see 3 you can cancel with 27. 3 9s are 27 and 11 7s are 77. So up you are getting here minus 1 is left here, minus 9 is left here, and in the denominator 7 is left. So you get, this is minus 1 into minus 9 is plus 9 by 7. So you get answer plus 9 by 7. So question number 7 is division. Divide 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. Second one, minus 7 by 4 divided by minus 4 by 5. Third one, 35 by 33 divided by minus 7 by 22. Okay, so for division, I have explained you. We write the first number as it is. We change the division into multiplication and we reciprocal the second one. So 1 by 4 reciprocal will be 4 by 1. After that, you follow the same method. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominator. You can cancel 2 with 4 also. So answer will be 2 by 1 or 2. Okay. Even here 7 minus 7 by 4. Multiplication reciprocal of this, which will be minus 5 by 4. Okay. So here minus into minus is plus, 7 into 5 35, 4 into 4 16. So 35 by 16 is the answer. Here 35 by 33 into minus 22 by 7. Reciprocal of minus 7 by 22. So see here I am not writing the minus in the denominator because we have to write in the standard form. That's why the negative number is always in the numerator. So here what you can do, cancellation. See, you can cancel 11 3s are 11 2s are and 7 1s are 7 5s are. So you get 5 into 2 by 3 into 1. So you get 10 by 3. Sorry, you have a minus sign also here. Yeah, so you will get minus, there is a minus here. So you will get a minus 10 by 3 as the answer. Okay. Now question number 8 is simplification. Simplify 2 by 3. This is the first part. 2 by 3 plus 7 by 8 into 8 by 25 divided by 37 by 15. So here we will solve what is there in the bracket. We will cross multiply 2 into 8 plus 7 into 3 by 3 into 8. Here, see here you can even solve this also. You can do 8 by 25 division, convert into multiplication and get the reciprocal of this. That is 15 by 37. Okay. So here you get 16 plus 21 by 24. And here you can do cancellations. 5 5s are 5 3s are. So 8 into 3 is 24 and 5 into 37 185. Okay. Here you can add up 37 by 24 into 24 by 185. Now here 24 gets cancelled. So your answer will be 37 by 185. Okay. So 37 by 185 you can reduce also. You can divide by 37. You get 1 by 5. Okay. So your answer will be 1 by 5 for this first part of the question. Now question number 8, second part, that is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 4 into 21. So we solve what is there in the bracket first. We do cross multiplication because here denominators are different. So 3 into 3 minus 2 into 4 by 4 into 3. Okay. Divided by 1 by 4. This is square bracket. Then sorry, this is round bracket. This is square bracket into 21. Okay. So 9 minus 2 4s are 8. This is 12 divided by 1 by 4 into 21. So 9 minus 8 is 1 by 12. Now this division convert into multiplication and get the reciprocal of 1 by 4, that is 4 by 1 into 21 here. Okay. So 4 you can cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here we get in the numerator 21 and denominator 3. So we can cancel 21 by 3, that is 7. So answer is 7. Okay. So the 9th question here is a little complex question. Divide the sum of 16 by 7 and minus 3 by 14. Okay. So you have to first find the sum of these two rational numbers. You have to find the difference also of these two rational numbers, and then you have to divide this sum of this divided by the difference. Okay. So I'll write the division here for your understanding. So we will solve this separately, and then we go for division. Okay. So here if you see, again denominators are different. We cross multiply 16 into 14 plus 7 into minus 3, and here 7 into 14. Okay. So here we get 224 plus minus 21 by 98. Here we get 224. So you will do subtraction. 224 minus 21, we get 203 by 98. Okay. So we leave the answer as it is here. Then we move to the subtraction part. Here also we will do cross multiplication. So 16 into 14 minus 7 into minus 3. So here 7 into 40. So we get here again 224 minus 21. We get here 98. So here 224 minus into minus plus. Here we get addition. Okay. So here we get 245 by 98. Now here what we will do? We will divide, right? Now we have to do division. Divide the sum of this. We got the sum here, and we have to divide with the difference. Okay. So 203. So 203 by 98 divided by 245 by 98. So here 203 by 98. Convert the division into multiplication and reciprocal the second rational number. So 98 by 245. So you cancel 98 straight away. So 203 by 245 is the answer. Okay. You can reduce it also if you want. Reduction also will give you the answer. You can see. So if you can reduce, you can divide with 7. You will get here 29 by 7, 3, 21, 35. So you will get 29 by 35 as answer if you reduce it. See, if in the exam you don't have time to reduce, you can leave it as it is also. Okay. So try to reduce it. Try to quickly, practice more sums so that you are able to operate it or do the operations quickly. Okay. So you need to do more practice of the sums. Okay. Okay. So the last question of this exercise, it's a word sum. A number when multiplied by 13 by 3 gives 39 by 12. You have to find the number. Children, I hope in your earlier grades, 7th or 8th standard, you must have done sums like this. So how do we solve this? So here let the number, you have to consider the number be x, suppose. Okay, you can consider as x, y, z, anything you want. So let the number is x. So the number, now you have to read the question, a number when multiplied by 13 by 3. So if I multiply x with 13 by 3, what it gives? You have to put an equal to sign. It gives 39 by 12. Okay. So it's like an equation. Okay. This question will form an equation where you have to solve for the value of x. Okay. So here I can write 13 into x by 3 is equal to 39 by 12. So here we need to find this x value. So x is getting multiplied with 13 by 3, right? So write x here only, and the number which is getting multiplied here will go to other side of the equal to sign and gets divided. Okay, this is also one of the rules we follow in solving simple equations. Okay, so any number which is getting multiplied on one side of the equal to sign, when it goes to the other side, it gets divided. So now only what we have on the left hand side, we have only x. So now we can easily solve for the value of x. So here now I will solve only this part. So 39 by 12 Division convert into multiplication, and reciprocal the second number 3 by 13. What you can solve after that very easily, 13 ones are 13 threes are 3 fours are. So you get 3 by 4. So the x value you get 3 by 4. Okay, very good question in case of rational numbers. Okay, some more questions also you can practice later. Also I will do when I'm doing the revision of the chapter. We will take up more sums like this. Hope you understood the concept done so far. You practice more questions. Any doubts you can ask me. I will connect with you with the next video.